Enter your phone number and password to log in. Depending on your needs, choose phone consultation or video consultation. Select your preferred time slot for the consultation. The app will ask you to confirm your booking and pay the consultation fee. The consultation fee may vary depending on the type of consultation and other reasons. Click on Yes. The app will reserve your appointment. Click OK to pay the consultation fee and confirm the appointment. Without paying, your appointment will not be confirmed. Click on Pay with mobile money/card. Choose your preferred payment option. If paying with mobile money, type in your Momo number. Choose the provider and click on Confirm. You will now receive an OTP code on your mobile number. Enter the code to confirm payment. You will now receive a call on your phone that will confirm your appointment. Make a note of the date and time of the consultation so you don't forget. For more health videos, check out the Priority Health playlist on the Unity website. Thank you.